Here's how to cook the perfect chicken breast with a stainless steel pan. The first critical step is getting your chicken breast up to room temperature. So you're going to want to take it out of the fridge about 15 to 30 minutes before cooking. It's also important to make sure your chicken breast is dry. So pat it with some paper towel, as moisture can cause sticking. Once you know your pan is preheated properly, thanks to the water drop test, you can add your oil, spread it evenly around the pan, make sure it's shimmering, and then add your chicken breast into the pan. Now the key here is patience. Leave it be, and when it's ready to turn, the chicken breast will naturally release from the pan. Sear the other side, lower the heat, and then cook on each side for a further 3 minutes until an internal temperature of 74 degrees or the juices run clear.